Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we're looking at the Dasaita Vivid 13. This is a 100% plug-and-play screen upgrade for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. In this unboxing and first look, we will take a look at what comes in the box, all of its specifications, and we'll do some comparison to the stock radio along with another upgraded screen. I chose the upgraded version, which is the 8GB RAM and 256GB processor, for running more complicated software. This version also has 4V RCAs, as well as an optical and HDMI output for additional devices. I'll have a link to this screen in the video description for pricing and information. This screen upgrade will work for any trim of the 3rd gen Tacoma, both JBL and non-JBL. It will retain factory functions like OEM camera systems, backup camera, steering wheel controls, and some maintenance functions. It does include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, regardless if your current Tacoma has that function. Opening the box is easy, no knife is needed. It came well packed direct from Dasaita. Inside the box, you get a bag of zip ties and panel removal tools, an owner's manual, a warranty card and thank you, a color wiring diagram along with a quick start guide, an installation guide with detailed steps and specific on 2 main wiring harnesses, 2 wiring packets with the smaller being for the 2020 to 2023, labeled as CB047, and the larger for the 2016 and 2019. And finally, the Vivid 13. Out of the protective wrap, it's pretty large in comparison to the stock radio. The Vivid 13 keeps the stock looking round vents that you'll have to transfer from your stock unit. They do have chrome trim, and I'm not sure if they're standard like the stock unit, as I've deleted all of the chrome from my interior. Standing out immediately is the included volume knob on the bottom left side of the screen. More on that later. Screen-wise, this measures about 9.75 inches across and 6.25 inches tall, and an advertised diagonal of 11.6 inches, which gains from the 8-inch diagonal of the stock 3rd gen Tacoma. It does appear to have a shipping screen protector pre-installed, which will be nice during installation. Flipping this around to the business side, you have a good-sized single DIN unit that sticks out from the screen. All of the connections will be made on this unit. You have the included HDMI output connector that sticks out noticeably. As for the clips, you do have to remove the stock red clips and attach them to the Vivid 13. They can easily break, so you might want to stock up on these. The vents will need to be removed from the stock radio and attached by these 3 clips on each vent. Back to the front, it's nicely done and keeps the stock look to the trim, although this one is all black. A little disappointing is the volume knob. It's nice that they included this, but it's cheaply done and plastic, even worse than the stock knobs, to be honest. Comparing the Vivid 13 to the stock radio for my 2022 TRD off-road non-JBL, it's quite a bit larger and literally goes from vent to vent. Width-wise, the screen seems to swallow up the area where the factory buttons and knob controls were. Comparing the Vivid 13 to my already installed CarTrim Home C12, it's definitely smaller, with the CTH being 3 inches larger diagonally at 14.6 inches. I've lined the right edge up so you can see the difference in width. Comparing all 3, because why not? The camera angle is a bit wonky, but you do see the difference from the various screen sizes, going from 8 inches to 11.6 to 14.6. And now for the install. Hey guys, I've decided not to install the Dasaita Vivid 13. In all honesty, I really like my CarTrim Home C12, and I didn't want to downgrade my screen real estate. The Dasaita has a lot going for it, including the coveted round vents, a semi-OEM look, and that volume knob. But with that, I saw too many negatives. The screen looked a little cheap in my opinion, the actual screen that is. It reintroduced chrome back into my truck with the vents and the knob. Don't manufacturers know that we hate chrome? And the knob is seriously cheap looking and feeling, like from a $1.99 disposable toy. Looking more into the software interface, I just like the CTH version better, especially since I've already been used to it. If you're dead set on keeping round vents, this is the best option out there in 2025. It gets you the largest possible screen while keeping the round vents. The smaller screen, cheaply made knob, and additional chrome were deal breakers for me, unfortunately. But what do you think? Do you like honest reviews? Do you own an upgraded screen for your Toyota Tacoma? I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section. I answer literally every comment on my channels. If you like the video, there's a button for that. And if you want to see more honest reviews like this one, subscribe. It's free. Lastly, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.